Well, enough of that. Oh, what a handsome. Hello, guys. We're going to see Carl there right now. He's coming up. He's been born. Yay!
Hey, Carl's born.
Carl is born.
Mom is now skinnier.
And
Stinks.
Carl is in that
You're
thing there.
Wait a minute.
Okay. We're going to try it again because the first time we saw it, we had something in the way. Yay! Carl is born.
Yay.
Yay.
Hey, Mom's skinnier.
Okay, Carl is in that basket. We don't let him out yet.
And I thought Papa would never show the baby. He just kept showing her.
Yeah. He's
It's
in
not
there,
that
and
cute.
Papa's coming closer and closer. Where is
You
Carl?
just keep showing Russell.
Is Russell? What's in there, Russell?
Some of this thing.
No. He's very.
Could
Oh,
have
and
been
there's
a cat for all we know.
yeah. Sound like a hair on there somewhere. The hairy boy was born. Okay.
None of my clothes fit me. You people just get whatever you see, don't you? So lock it over my head.
Well, I want to see Carl.
He's giving his baby brother a balloon.
Wait, over now.
Get that balloon. Those ugly old corrective shoes.
Where is he, dear?
I'm saying, come on.
There he is,
baby.
Carl.
And I'm skinnier and handsomer than Russell.
You're handsome. You boys both handsome in uniform.
But Russell's chubbier. Shut up.
Not when he was born.
I nursed
You
him in
guys
my body
you
part.
guys look the same. Okay. Carl is sleeping. Don't wake him up.
I-
Russell touched you for the first time.
Ah, it's just a weirdo. Maybe my head was turned
Ah,
on.
yeah.
Let's try.
Little Blue City just come home from the hospital that day. Was April 15th, 1981. He was 9 days old. Oh, my God, Boogie,
right.
Boogie.
You know,
Boogie, itty
Papa.
bitty, so little.
What?
Papa, you know like girls wrap in pink blankets and boys wrap in
Ah,
blue blankets?
Right.
yeah.
You get to keep the blankets.
Chucking
No, I
his
don't think so.
fingers.
I think you have to
Chucking
leave at the
his
hospital when you leave. Carl.